أيها الضيوف الكرام، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا آب الزارو الطالب في مستوى السابع مع حديث من الأحاديث النبوية مع الترجمة. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم قال: أتدرون ما المفلس؟ قالوا: المفلس فينا من لا درهم له ولا متاع. فقال: إن المفلس من أمتي من يأتي يوم القيامة بصلاة وصيام وزكاة ويأتي قد شتم هذا وقذف هذا وأكل مال هذا واستفق دم هذا وضرب هذا، فيعطى هذا من حسناته وهذا من حسناته، فإن فنيت حسناته قبل أن يقدم عليه أخذ من خطاياهم فطرحت عليه ثم طرح في النار. رواه Muslim. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu reported Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam as saying, "Do you know who is poor?" They, the companions of the Holy Prophet, said, "A poor man amongst us is the one who has neither dirham with him nor wealth." He, the Holy Prophet, said, "The poor of my ummah would be he who would come on the day of resurrection with prayers, fast and charity, but would find himself bankrupt on that day, as he would have exhausted his funds of virtue, since he hurled abuses upon others, brought calumny against others, unlawfully consumed the wealth of others, shed the blood of others, and bet others. And his virtues will be credited to the account of the one who suffered at his hand. And if his short deeds fall short to clear the account, then his sins would be entered into his account and he would be thrown into the hellfire." Sahih Muslim, volume number 4, hadith number 6251.